We're recording.
Okay.
Now just do whatever you want.
Panda, come here.
Go get the cats.
Here, Panda. Oh, wait. Abby. Oh. Can you go out of the room while I'm filming?
Sure.
Okay.
Before we do this, just want you to know, Panda is the senior cat in the house. He's the alpha cat.
5 years old. Turning 6 in May. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's this kitty cat here. And if you ever heard of Corey Mr. Safety, then with Smart and Loki, then yeah, copy his idea. So this is my oldest cat, Panda. He's 5 years old, and he's the alpha cat. He always wants attention all the time. Isn't that right? Yes. So yeah, this is my first video I'm making. I'm new to the YouTube world. Come here. Oh. And he is really heavy. So yeah, see you again. Bye.